Hey there, banking buddies. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to see your passbook in the HDFC app for 2025. If you're an HDFC customer, this quick guide will help you access your transaction history right from your phone, saving you time and hassle. Let's get started. First off, ensure you have the latest version of the HDFC Bank app installed. Head to your App Store, search for HDFC Bank, and update or download it if needed. This keeps everything secure and up to date for 2025's features. Step 1. Open the HDFC Bank app on your smartphone. You'll see the login screen, so enter your username and password. If you've set up biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID, use that for a smoother experience. Step 2. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base, showing an overview of your accounts. Look for the Accounts or My Accounts tab. It's usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the specific account you want to check, like your savings or current account. This will take you to the account details page. Step 4. On the account details page, scroll down or look for a section labeled Passbook, Mini Statement, or Transaction History. Tap on it, and voila! Your passbook will load, displaying your recent transactions. Step 5. You can now browse through your entries, filter by date, or even download the passbook as a PDF for records. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. Viewing your passbook in the HDFC app is quick and user-friendly. Remember, always log out after use and keep your app updated for the best security. If you encounter any issues, reach out to HDFC's customer support through the app. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.